Once upon a time, deep inside an enchanted forest, lived Rapunzel with her magical golden hair. Every morning, her hair shimmered like warm sunlight.
But one magical morning, something unusual began to happen.
Wherever her glowing hair touched, life bloomed again. Flowers opened like tiny stars around her feet.
Rapunzel had never seen such powerful magic before.
Just then, Flynn Rider arrived with exciting news.
A hidden cave of magical crystals had been discovered deep in the forest. Rapunzel wondered if the cave held secrets about her powers.
That night, they secretly began their journey.
The enchanted forest shimmered with mystery and magic.
Every shadow seemed alive in the ancient woods.
Her magical light guided them safely forward. Soon, they reached a rushing silver river.
Together, they carefully crossed the icy water.
But mysterious tracks suddenly appeared nearby.
Hidden creatures followed them through the darkness.
The magical golden light protected them from danger. Far away, an evil sorceress sensed the powerful magic. The golden power will belong to me.
Dark magic spread across the stormy sky.
At dawn, they discovered a hidden crystal valley.
The cave sparkled brighter than 1,000 stars.
Even Pascal had never seen such magic before.
At dawn, they discovered a hidden crystal valley. As Rapunzel touched the crystal, the cave awakened. Ancient magical energy filled the cavern.
The ground trembled beneath their feet.
But the evil sorceress had followed them.
Flynn refused to let darkness win.
Light and darkness clashed inside the crystal cave.
The cave glowed with blinding power.
Rapunzel realized her true power came from love and kindness. Her golden magic became stronger than ever before. Warm golden light filled every corner of the cave. The evil sorceress could no longer control the darkness.
Soon, the dark magic vanished forever.
Life returned to the enchanted forest once again.
Rapunzel used her magic to heal every living creature.
The kingdom celebrated beneath thousands of floating lanterns.
Everyone thanked Rapunzel for saving the magical forest.
Flynn knew Rapunzel's kindness was the greatest magic of all.
The magical lantern festival filled the kingdom with hope.
Did you enjoy our journey? Subscribe to Little Storyland for more fairy tale stories every week. Like, share, and join our magical fairy tale family today.
And Rapunzel's golden light continued to shine happily for many years to come.